Hello everyone, this is Madhumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in this lecture video, let's look into what is a non-thermal processing methods and what are all the different non-thermal techniques that are being used to preserve the shelf life of the foods. So first one, the food irradiation. This is one of the method that is recently used to preserve the food materials and to extend the shelf life. So the main principle behind the food irradiation is nothing but here we use ionizing radiations such as gamma rays, X-rays and the electron beams. This will help to reduce the harmful organisms or the microorganisms, bacteria and the pest or fungi that is present in the food material, but it does not make the food as a radioactive form. It does not substantially alter any taste, texture or any nutritional quality of the food also. So this is one of the more similar methods of pasteurization that will help to prevent the foodborne illness and the spoilage of the foods. So these are the three different types of radiation sources that are being used for food irradiation method. So first is the gamma rays, electron beams and the X-rays. So gamma rays is nothing but here in gamma rays they use rays like cobalt 60 or cesium 137 that helps to penetrate deep into the food material, and this has been adopted for various food materials, actually for fruits and vegetables and all. Electron beams, otherwise called as the E-beams, where high energy electron beams are being made to penetrate fastly into the food material. Mostly this is being preferred for the food materials that are very thin in nature. And X-rays, these are also generated by the machine sources only. They offer moderate penetration and are often used for the handling bulk food materials. So these are the types of radiation sources that are being used in food irradiation method. So what will be the dose levels and how it can be applied to the food? So the different radiation dose levels are precisely applied to achieve the specific objectives in food preservation. So first is a low dose, medium dose and high dose. So there are three different types of doses that are being used. So low dose ranges from approximately only up to 1 kilogram. So we actually indicate the dosage level in food irradiation in kilogram. So this is mainly used to control insect mites and delay the sprouting process or the ripening process in fruits and vegetables. So this is the role of low dose application. And the medium dose, the range varies from 1 to 10 kilogram of dose is being used for medium dose. This is more effective where it is being used to reduce the spoilage microorganisms in spice and dried vegetables. It is being used. High dose, the third dose, that is the dosage level above 10 kilogram is being used in mainly for immunocompromised patients or for the astronauts or long duration space missions. These and all are the to attain the commercial sterility, this is being used. Okay, next coming into the regulation and the labeling, that is how we will actually approve that it is a non-thermal processed food. So in that case we have it actually undergoes the FDA process, that is a Food and Drug Administration. They have to regulate the food irradiation process. They should approve specific radiation sources and permissible doses, and it should ensure a consumer safety and product integrity. And it is more mandatory to label the symbol radura, that is radura symbol indicates that is being treated with food irradiation, and this has to be approved. The packaging material that is being used for food irradiated foods have to be recognized under proper standards, and maximum dose limits that is enforced is a 10 kilogram for gamma sources. And coming to this is the concept map of food irradiation. Like how concept map in sense to understand the overall irradiation process. How the first one, we have to find what type of source of radiation can be used. Next, what type of dose levels we have to apply for the particular food, and what will be the benefit by applying those doses, and for the implementation of the food irradiation non-thermally processed technique, what are all the regulatory measures and safety measures has to be implemented, and at last where it can be applied. And